In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use formulas in Microsoft Excel. If you are just getting started with Excel, formulas can feel a little intimidating at first. However, once you see how simple a basic formula is, you will be able to calculate totals quickly and consistently without doing math manually. To begin, locate the worksheet area where your column of numbers is shown. You should see a list of values arranged in cells, like a vertical set of data. Next, move your attention to the cell directly beneath that column layout. In this example, you will click cell B6. Make sure you place your cursor in the correct cell, because Excel formulas always work based on the exact cell you select. After you click B6, take a moment to confirm that you are now in the active cell. You will know you have the right place because B6 will be highlighted. The next step is about typing the formula exactly as Excel expects it. This is where precision matters, but you do not need to memorize anything. You just need to follow what you see and type the correct structure. Now, look at the formula input box area. This is the place where you can type a formula before you send it to Excel. Type equals sign, then type sum, and then open parentheses. So you will enter equals sign sum B2, B5. As you type, try to keep your eyes on the characters you are entering, especially the parentheses and the colon. The sum function tells Excel that you want to add values together, and the range B2 to B5 tells Excel which cells to include. To help you understand what you have entered, the range B2, B5 means every cell from B2 through B5, in order. In other words, it includes the first number in B2, all the middle numbers in between, and the last number in B5. Instead of selecting cells one by one, you are instructing Excel to add that entire block automatically. Once the formula is typed correctly in the active formula cell input box area, you are ready for the final action. Press Enter on your keyboard. This tells Excel to calculate the result and display it in the cell you selected earlier, which is B6. At this point, you should instantly see the total appear in B6. That result is the sum of the values in B2 through B5. If you want to double-check your work, you can briefly look at the numbers you expected to be included. The displayed total should match the overall addition of that list. If it does not, it usually comes down to typing the range incorrectly or selecting the wrong start and end cells. Using formulas like this is one of the fastest ways to work in Excel. It also makes your spreadsheet more reliable, because the total updates automatically if any of the source numbers in the range change. That means you do not have to redo calculations every time the data is edited. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add a list of numbers using a sum formula in Microsoft Excel.